So I've been working on the CNC some more. Got some parts in from DigiKey today. This is the electrical cabinet. I got these two relays. They're still a little messy right now, but they're in there. They're hooked up to the CNC4PC C35 breakout board, and they are set up to control these outlets, which then run my router and my vacuum. I'm just sitting over here right now. So I just got those set up today, and hopefully it will work. So this should turn on the spindle. And then the vacuum. So, they're both hooked up now. One more thing off the list. They can be controlled from the G-code now, so they'll turn on and off automatically. And then I also added a resistor, which you can't see, but I did add the inrush current limiting resistor so that the breaker wouldn't trip when I turned on the main power to the power supply. It's a 1.5 kilowatt power supply, so it drew too much current right when it turned on. So I put a resistor in series with the hot leg of this breaker to that power supply, which is in the electrical cabinet right here. So it goes to the toroidal transformer right there, and keeps it from tripping the breaker when you turn it on, which it used to do. You used to have to turn it on twice. You turn it on once and it would kind of charge up and then trip the breaker, and you turn it on again and it would stay. Now, one time does it, and it works just fine. So, just another little update for you.